What is up, everyone? Welcome to another Carib Fusion video. So Popcaan just dropped a new song called Stronger Now on his official Vivo page. The tune are going really good right now. As of this recording, it's 83,000 or just over 83,000. It's been out for about 16 hours now, and you know, people are gravitating towards the tune. So one of the reasons I want to talk about this song is because it might address Dutty Badmind. And you know, Popcaan has been under a lot of fire in the last few months, from the clashes to everything, but he must say, yo, look, I'm stronger now. You know, basically everything that people have to say is something bad and something negative. So we could talk about the song, talk about some of my accomplishments, and let's review the song. Like I always say in all of my reviews, I don't go word for word, line for line, because most time it's not necessary. So let's do it. Stronger Now review. So first thing I want to talk about is the beat, or in fact the melody. If you listen to the song, you will hear that it's, you know, it's quite melodic. And one of the things with Popcaan music, which he continues to do all the time, is that his songs are very catchy. You know, if you think about the hook, you know, him keep saying, man, stronger now, you know what I'm saying? And that's when you kind of hear the tempo change slightly, you know what I'm saying? So people more likely to sit down and chant, man, stronger now, even without singing the whole of the song. So that's one of the things that Popcaan continues to do in his song, is that it makes sure that the hook of the song is very catchy. Now we talk about the verses. So in the first verse, the man basically say, yo, if I know bad news them a talk about me, then them not talk nothing at all. Right, and that is true. We have seen that we're, you know, since especially with the feuding where they take place, you know, in the beginning of the year, and they never really have no big hits to begin with at the beginning of the year, people have a whole heap of negative things to say about Popcaan. Understand what I say? So I guess that's what he's relating to when he must say, yo, you know, if I know nothing bad enough, I say, I don't say nothing at all, right? And that's what it's always been like. The media have a lot to say, but he must say, no, listen to the media anyway. What he must listen to is the people and we're real, you understand? So that's one of the things we must say. In that same verse, he must say, you will put pressure upon him, will put stress upon him, but he might go and hold him faith kind of thing. That's what he's saying. So at the end of the day, in one of the verse too, he was saying something along the lines of, you know, one of the things I'm a vulcanized, which I guess people think, I guess you think I'm a statue. Do you think I don't have feelings? Things like that. Well, that's the message I get from the first verse anyway. Before I'm going to the chorus, him send me a forward from dumpling and gravy, and then he goes on to say something along the lines of, you know, watch Omega win the Grammy and shook them. Now, if you think about it, what Popcaan here is referring to is that he must say basically me think upon a more international level. So you might say, yo, me sell out, or me do this, or me do that, but actually the facts show say me better than you, basically. Me I do more than where Uno could not ever dream of, including the naysayers. You know what I'm saying? When I think about really show it at no artist per se, but I think he's talking about people who just live upon him name, dip on him name, call him sellout, call him this, call him that. I think that is what he's relating to in other songs. They must say, well, on the day they start talk about me, may I live my life, and may I do all these things, and may I work towards a bigger goal, which is a goal that you can't attain. You understand? So I actually like that part there, because you get to understand, say, I'm a little bit different now. I look on thing and I say, all right then, when you can sit down and chat, may I accolades. One of the key lines in the song is that he said that, you know, upon the Gaza block him born, but know him upon the top platform. People are wonder how him reached that far, but don't underestimate Badman. You understand? So again, he must show you, say, look here, I get the best schooling in a dancehall that I could ever get, but now I reach a place now where people actually probably got envy where I am right now, but a hard work put me there. So you understand? So he must show, in at the same time, while he must shade the haters, he must show you, say, look here, most of the way I hate would have love for the family right now. And I mean, Popcaan in a real good place, you know. Popcaan's in a real good place for the international market. Now, as we said before, people keep on saying, yo, the man sell out, the man this, the man that. We're not going to discuss that. You understand what I mean? Because I think most of the time that come from, you know, it's whatever to me. However, if you look upon it from the point of view of where he is right now, Popcaan networks really well. You understand? he's in a place where most dancehall artists would dream to be right now. Because one of the things, Popcaan comes off as a really likable person. You know, when I grow up, he does come off as a really nice, like a nice person. Him not too intimidating because him not really push the bad man thing too much. That's probably why it come as a shock when him they do Stray Dog and all them songs, because people like, yo, what? That's not you. You know, do them something. But I guess in a dancehall, there's this whole push that you have to be bad. You know, everybody want you to be a bad man when all you want to do is sing some song, make some money and look after your family. But it's almost like in order to be a dancehall artist, you have to be a bad man. But Popcaan, I think, you know, I like the meds with him depend right now. Fair enough, the streets might have call him down and I say certain things about him now and I say, yo, you had this and you had that. But at the end of the day, he might go on good. I mean, one of the articles that I was looking at, a 40,000 US a night in Mech on the tour, the Boy Meets World tour with Drake. Money in his pocket. And that's one of the things he said in the lines to him. He said, "Una premium," and at the same time, may I watch my bank account go up and up and up. You know, so again, he must shame them with success. So towards the end of the second verse, he basically say, him not gonna stop shame the hate of them 1-1. No, I won't put words in his mouth and say him throw shade at anyone or anything like that. But people have a lot to say about Popcaan right now, you know what I'm saying? So he might go and shame them, and I guess he might say, well, kill them with success, you know what I'm saying? The best revenge is actually success. So I really like that song here. This is a nice song, and I like the meds on the song. As I said before, many people listen to Popcaan. Popcaan thing up and he might climb, you know what I'm saying? At the moment, we feel like, say, the dancehall fans not really with him too much now because, as I said before, the whole feud where they go on in a early part of last year, but in fans them still hold strong theme and thing like that, which I like to see. As I said before, Popcaan is at a place now where the international market is his playground. You understand what I mean? The man are going to be doing shutdown tour next month in a Greek island called Zante, sorry, right? And he's going to be headlining that. No, he wasn't meant to headline that, but I think it was Tory Lanez or whatever wasn't able to do it anymore. The promoters them needed someone. They kept Popcaan, and they were like, well, aren't we going to get an American, you know, an American replacement? They're like, no, Popcaan can hold it down, and that was their response. They feel like Popcaan can still pull the whole crowd. And if you think about shutdown, in fact, I did a video on that, so I won't talk about it too much. That show, or that, you know, those few days on that island, it's gonna cost people a lot of money to go, and they feel like Popcaan can draw the crowd, which he is at the moment. So that's a big news. Again, you know what I'm saying, he featured on the Gorillaz song just recently upon them album. You know, that has been trending in the top 10 for the last couple of weeks, you know. Boy Meets World tour. Enough people know about Popcaan now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm never did a More Life album, but who knows? Probably bigger things in store. You know what I'm saying? So, them kind of things. And so Popcaan are doing thing, you know, and he make money, which that is the aim of the whole thing. Yes, I them joy, but I them bread and butter as well. Some things that Popcaan are going good, but as I said before, Dutty Badmind. People will have a lot of things to say. As I said before, I might not agree with everything what him do or everything what a dancehall artist do, but you have to respect the hustle, and I respect that hustle there. So that's why I really want to talk to him about the song and sing. Stronger Now is a nice song, really good melody. Just a nice song for meds too, you know what I'm saying? Especially, you have people in your life who are going to want to fight you. People see the light and they want to be a part of it, or they're blinded by it. And that is just how life is. People will live under a rock, or them brain too small. You know what I'm saying? So, again, I think the song is a great one. So I'm wanting to listen to it. If you don't like, you know, my review or whatever, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend about the channel. Hit the bell icon once you subscribe to the channel as well. So that is it from me. I won't keep you much longer. Big up on yourself.